Guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally have time to film because of the whole situation that's going on now. I didn't know what to film today, but I decided since I'm at home for a while, I just came with an idea to show you guys how I curl my hair. So I already put everything on my hair. I put the heat protective from Redken, and then I had already put my oil, the friz dismiss, like this. I got this at the hair salon that I always go get my hair done. This retails for like $22, but it lasts for a while. And once I put the heat protectant, I don't have it here, but once I put that in the oil, I just comb it through. And I use the no tangle brush, and I brush it through before I curl my hair. And this is how I always curl my hair. And I do it quick too. So once I already combed through, I use this curling wand. I've had these since I was 18 when I first started working. I did my first paycheck on a curling iron. This was about $300, and it lasted me for a while because that was when I was 18. I'm not 18 anymore. And it says it's from the brand, I don't even know how to say it, CORIOLISS. And with this one, it has 3 different kind of curling iron. It has the thick one, it has a little skinny one, and this one's the medium one. I always go for the medium one because I like how the curls look better. It just because of my hair, like the length of it. So I'm gonna be using this to look at myself and know how I'm curling my hair. So I just grab like a little strand like this, and once my curling iron is super hot, I just go behind it and I wrap it around. And I usually leave it on for like 5 seconds. I don't really do it all the way to my tip, only because I don't like when the tip's curly. I like it more like that straight bottom. So I hold it for 5 seconds, go down like this, hold it up for a little while, and then let it go. And then keep doing it like this. My hair is like a straight cut with one layer, so I don't really like, I used to like cut it, like I used to part it like from the bottom and then the top, but then I don't know, I feel like it's more faster when I just do it like this. So I keep wrapping it around like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let it go.
When I come from work, I just want to relax and catch up on my shows, or I have to cook, or I have to go walk my dog, or like whatever I have to do, the grocery shop, or whatever the thing is. Now I have more time to film, and I have a lot of ideas what to film, only because I've been writing them down. And I've never got the time to film or anything. It doesn't have to be perfect at any way. I always go back to see if like that. And for my bangs, I usually pull it more downwards because I don't like the front super curly. So I'll leave it like probably like 2 inches. Like that. And you see how this one is like, it's kind of ugly. I go back. And I think well, most likely it's because I took it out of the curling iron too soon, so I'll just go back. And then I'll curl it again. And focus more on the bottom where it didn't curl as much. And then pull it. And you see now it's curling. So I'll leave it like that.
So I'm gonna be doing this side now. I already curled 3 right now. So for this side, I'll do the same thing, but I'll be pointing, I'll go behind my curling one and just grab little strands and leave it like that. Point it like this. That way when the curl is ready, I'll just pull it straight up. Just give it 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Curling your hair is pretty tiring. Like, I hate doing my hair. It takes forever. And having your hand like in a certain position, it's just tiring already. Whoa. So tired. You see this little thing right here? Who has that problem? Who has that problem too? Because I've been having this little, I think it's called like a cowlick or whatever, but I get that a lot. I get that a lot when I lay down, like on my head, like back, or when I sleep hella crazy. And you just slide it out, just like the same way that I've been doing to every curl. Just slide it out. And then just back, do that, wrap it around like this.
Pull it up like this. This is the curl. And then you'll start touching like your hair if it's straight. Like I know which one's straight and which one's not now. And I'll just, it's hard to tell, but like I know this is all straight and everything else is curly. I don't know if you can tell right here. Like that's curled right there. So I can already tell with my hands, like, oh okay, this one's straight. So I'll just comb it through like that. And then have my curls in the front and have the straight ones in the back, and then little by little I'll like part them. Do like little parts right here, and then I'll do the same thing like that. Like this, I'll just turn it around. Pull it to the front.
So I finished curling all my hair, and this is just checking because my boyfriend is downstairs playing video games. And I don't know, I find it weird if I'm recording and he comes up here. So after I curl it, I'll let it sit for a little bit before I start like touching it and moving it around. But the only reason why I don't curl the bottoms is because I like the look. I just heard him burp. I The only reason why I don't curl the bottoms is because I like how the straight ends look like with curls on. It just looks more like, I don't know, it gives it something different, like a different look. So then it leaves it like this, super straight. I don't know if you can tell. Like it's straight. And then once I like separate them, then it will look even better. You see that? So it's curled, and then in the bottom it just looks straight like that. And that's how I'll keep them. So right when I finish doing that, I'll grab my Friz Dismiss Anti-Static Oil Mist. And I got this at my hair salon that I always go to. It's the Redken one. And it's this. It looks like this. Just shake it up. And then after, I'll just like spritz it all over. Don't go so heavy because this is oil. And what this does, it leaves your hair super shiny and looking healthy and everything. And I love that about that. It just looks so shiny. Like I'm gonna put it right here too. Over here too. Like that. No, brush it like that. You see that? It looks so shiny. And I'll brush it off like that. And once now that it's sitting, that it sat down for a little bit, I'll just brush the top more. And then I'll grab this Money Maker Flexible Hold Hairspray from Dry Bar. Looks like this. And this one's really good. It smells really good. It holds the curls good. It doesn't make them all stale or anything like that. Because I don't like the other hairsprays that make your hair look all, like make your hair feel all stiff. And this one gives it it holds it together, but it also makes it not like crunchy. It makes it like more flexible. So once everything is there, I'll like put my fingers around it, just like make all the curls all separated like this. And I'll kind of like do the top like that, like give it more volume. Like this curl's like getting on my nerves right now. So I'll go back and I'll curl it like this. Just give it a touch. 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. And then like this side looks a little like straight over here. So I'll grab this and I'll curl it from the top like that. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll let it go like this. And there you go. And that's how I curl my hair. And this is how I always curl my hair. Like sometimes I'll put like some hairspray, or I'll put this, it's an extra hold edge gel. I'll put this on my edges. Looks like that. Smells really good because I have a lot of like frizziness on this side, like on my edges. So I'll just put a little bit on that and like comb it back. Or like sometimes my little sideburns, like they look kind of funky, so I'll just put a little bit on that too. Or if I don't like it so many like little hairs just popping everywhere, I'll just put a little bit on that and then clean my edges. Sometimes I'll do like a little brush and I'll clean them, but I don't feel like doing all that. And then I'll go like this. Pull this to the front. And that's how I curl my hair. You can see it closer, look. This side. And that's it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video, which will be soon. It will be a makeup look right after I finish editing this one on how do I do my hair. I'll be doing a makeup look. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.